Hello friends, how are you today? Welcome back to my channel, that is Cecil and Temper with Neelam, where we make quick and easy yet delicious food recipes. So today we are making a fasting recipe as Shravan month is going on and it is considered as an auspicious and holiest month of the year, including the month of fasting. So today we are making potato pancakes with very less ingredients and it's super simple to make and delicious too. So let's get started with the recipe.
For this recipe, we are using very basic ingredients like raw potatoes, cumin seeds, green chilies, ghee or oil and salt. That's it. Firstly, we have to make a paste of green chilies and cumin seeds. For that, I am taking 6 to 7 both types of green chilies, like spicier and non-spicier one. In that, we'll add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and make a very coarse paste of it. Once done, we'll keep that aside. Now we'll take main ingredient of our dish, that is raw potatoes. I have taken 3, peel them off and wash nicely. Now we have to grate these potatoes, but before that, here comes my kitchen tip. Cut the potatoes into half and check whether there is any black spot inside. If it is not there, grate it directly. Otherwise, in some of the potatoes, such black mark is there. This black spot is called chilling injury to potatoes. It's not that dangerous. It's just like when we fall down, we get that green color mark on the injured area, right? So it's like that only. We just have to remove it before we grate it. So now I have grated here 3 potatoes. I'm not squeezing water out of it, just keeping as is. In that we'll add our green chili and cumin seeds mixture. Green chilies, anytime you can take it as per your taste, and if you don't want to make this paste in the mixer grinder, you can take a mortar and grind it coarsely, green chilies and cumin seeds. In that we'll add salt as per our taste. Mix it all very well together, and if you want, you can keep this aside for 5 to 10 minutes and you may observe the water is getting released, but don't worry, we are not squeezing the water out. We are just mixing it again and using it. That's it. Our pancake mixture is ready now. It's super simple, right? It's time to cook our pancakes now. For that, I have taken a pan and heated up well. In that, we have added very less oil. Keep the flame on slow to medium. Take small portion of the pancake batter and by using hand or with the help of spoon, just spread the batter on a pan. With the back of the spoon, we have to press the pancakes very nicely. Now we have to cook each side for 3 to 4 minutes. As you know that we haven't added any binding material or flour into it. So we have to give some time to our pancakes to cook it on slow to medium flame 3 to 4 minutes and keep the lid on. That's it. After 3 to 4 minutes, just see, it is easy to flip our pancakes, and with no binding material, with very few ingredients, we are making such a nice and quick and easy, very tasty pancakes, which are super simple to make and takes only 10 minutes for each batch to cook till it gets nice golden brown color on each side. That's it. Our first batch is about to be done. Now we'll remove it in a plate. Again the same thing, we have to do it for our second batch. Now if you see the batter, some water got released from it because salt and potato together releases water. So here we are not throwing that water, instead we are mixing them well, and with the help of spoon or by using hand, we are just spreading the batter as we did it in our first batch and follow the same steps here as well. So we have to cook each side for 3 to 4 minutes on slow to medium flame by keeping the lid on, and then we have to cook again till it gets nice golden brown color on each side. Now you see, we can easily flip it without any binding material. That's it. If you are making this dish for fasting, then make a dip using curd, some sugar, pinch of salt and half teaspoon of cumin powder. Mix it well and it tastes delicious with it. And if no fasting is there and you want to enjoy it as a tea time snack, just grab your tomato ketchup and enjoy these pancakes with hot tea.
If you like this recipe and have queries or suggestions related to this or any of my recipes, do let me know in the comment box and click on the like and share button as well. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, that is Cecil and Temper with Neelam, where we make quick and easy yet delicious food recipes. Thank you so much.